Alright, I'm going to do a video and hope that this works better than just trying to send pictures. But basically what's happening on the front is this side I think is intact in the way it's mostly supposed to be. So this whole hub assembly or brake assembly, it seems like the brakes are connected, but this attaches to the frame and to the steering. So like here's a frame piece. I'll back up a little bit so you can see how it's connected, but this frame piece behind this plastic connects to the bottom down here, and then it's connected at the top also, and it's supposed to be positioned like that. It's all tight, that doesn't move around. There is a problem with the boot right there and on the other side, and I don't know if these are like cars and when that happens you actually are supposed to replace the whole axle, or you can just replace the boot and put grease in there or whatever. I do not know. Same thing on here on this side. I've got this off and messed up. But anyway, down here, here's the problem, or at least I think the major source of the problem, is this frame piece is not connected to anything. And when you look at this side of this assembly, this guy here has a hole like in the bottom, and down there this thing has like a piece that kind of sticks up that I think interlocks with that. And then up here you can see how that's kind of twisted, where I think that this whole thing is supposed to be like more like this, straight up and down. So that is problematic. But then this thing doesn't steer right, but you can see where the steering is connected here to this little ball joint thing. And I don't know if that's messed up too, but that's connected. Here's where both of them attach. I can get there. Yeah, those two ball joints there, and like a little knuckle thing, and then it goes over to the side and connects. Now on this side, this guy seems like it's kind of starting to mess up, and I don't know if that's just a piece of this that's messed up or what. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to replace this also or exactly what. So hopefully the video is a little more helpful than it would have been otherwise to send pictures. There's a really good video of a guy working on the front and taking the wheel apart and that kind of stuff on YouTube that I think could help me a lot. I just need to know which parts to replace, and obviously make and model and all that stuff. I did see this. It's a 300 4x4, and I have no clue what year or whatever. On the video I saw that you're supposed to be able to find the VIN like right here, and I don't know if it's just rusted over or what, and this thing doesn't have anything on it. One video I saw, it looked like a sticker almost like that was just white that was on this piece. So I've looked for it there and a couple other spots and just can't find a VIN to know what's going on. One other thing I don't think is a huge deal, but this thing is disconnected, the air filter. And my brother-in-law told me some people will just get like a filter sometimes and just put it straight on here and not worry about connecting it with a hose and all that stuff. So anyway, that's some of the issues.